Hi, we're out here picking beans today. We've got 5 guys out here, four guys and a gal out here in our weedy bean patch. But there's a lot of beans in here, and these are actually our dragon tongue beans. So these are purple and yellow. Let me see if I can find some for you. There you go. Dragon tongue. These are a green bean, a fresh bean, and you can use them in any bean recipe. They're kind of a flat pod, and they are have a nice snap to them, and they are juicy and not a dry green bean. They're not waxy like in other yellow green beans, like other yellow wax beans, but they're great in bean salads and great for cooking. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to have lots of beans in the fall. Our earlier plantings of beans for the summer didn't work out very well, but for the rest of the few months we're going to have plenty of beans, we think. And that reminds me that we're going to keep on sending vegetables out to your homes, and any new members that join in any of the coming weeks, we're going to keep sending them through October for our summer shares. And then for fall and winter, we're going to have market boxes available every week all winter long. So we'll keep you posted. You can check it out as the information comes out at willowhavenfarmpa.com. And if you're on our email list, you'll keep getting stories like this and information as our fall season progresses.